let's fix if an Instagram story is unavailable. Now, if you open up Instagram and you tap on a story and it says it's unavailable, or maybe you close the app and then open it back up and you wanted to watch a story over again and it says it's not available, there are a few different reasons why that might be. So it might say something like this. For this instance, it's Marvel Studios. This story is no longer available. There are a few different reasons why that might be. One of them is because potentially the creator of that story has since deleted it. So if you say, opened it up, you watched a story, and then you wanted to go back and you wanted to watch it again, potentially the creator of that story has deleted that story, and then it says it's unavailable. So even if you close out of the app and open it back up, it might not work, but Instagram still maybe has relics. They keep it on there for a bit until they fully delete it, but you're not able to actually watch that story. So that's one of the reasons. The other reason is potentially because Instagram itself is down, which means the story is not available because it can't connect with the Instagram servers. So to see if that's the case, let's open up a web browser and we're going to type in, is Instagram down? And we're going to go to down detector here. So if you scroll down, if you see a big spike in reported outages on Down Detector, most likely then it's the Instagram servers that are causing those stories to not be available. It's not the user that deleted it themselves. And if this is the case, then you just have to wait a few hours until Instagram gets things back up and running, and then they should be able to load any story that you want to watch. Now, if you're still running into issues and Instagram servers are down, the easiest next step is just to close out of Instagram here and then open it back up, swipe down to reload it. So you want it to reload everything, including the stories, and then you should be able to watch them. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you on the next one.